Welcome children, continuity of the lesson, the Browning version by Terence Rattigan. Children, yesterday I told you that Frank, the young teacher, was shocked after knowing what was happening in their schools. Tableau answers, anyway, the croc isn't a sadist. Tableau once again says that his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, is not a sadist. He does not beat students. He does not get any pleasure by giving pain to students. Note here, Tableau uses his nickname the Croc. That's what I am saying. That is the meaning he wanted his words to have. He wouldn't be so frightening. Tableau thinks that his teacher is frightening, but he is not a sadist. If he were a sadist, because at least it would show he had some feelings. If his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, had been a sadist, he would have shown some feelings. But Tableau thinks he does not have any feelings because he does not show any feelings. He is all shriveled up inside like a nut, just as a nut, a kind of fruit, is shrunk inside. In the same way, his teacher is also shrunk inside. Mr. Crocker Harris is also shrunk inside, shriveled up, and he seems to hate people to like him. Mr. Crocker is a person who does not want people to like him. He does not want people to like him. He wants that nobody should like him. He avoids being liked. It's funny. And Tableau thinks that this attitude shown by his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, is funny. I don't know any other master who doesn't like being liked. He thinks all teachers want their students to like them. All teachers want their students to like them. But Mr. Crocker Harris is an exception. He doesn't want to be liked. He is different from other teachers. Frank, and I don't know any boy who doesn't use that for his own purposes. Frank makes it clear that every boy uses that for his own purposes. Every boy knows that he doesn't like to be liked. He doesn't want to be liked. This kind of thing, this kind of quality shown by a teacher, every boy is ready to take advantage of. Tableau, well, it's natural, sir, but not with the croc. Tableau agrees with him. Sir, it's a natural trait, but, well, it's natural. Tableau says that it is natural. It is bound to happen, but not with the croc. But it can't happen with the croc. Once again, he uses the nickname of the teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris. What is the word he uses? The croc. Frank, Mr. Crocker Harris. Frank tells him to use the complete name of his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris. Tableau, Mr. Crocker Harris. Tableau uses the complete name of his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris. The funny thing is that in spite of everything, I do rather like him. The funny thing is that in spite of everything, here Tableau discusses a funny thing. There are so many things in his mind against his teacher. But in spite of, against Mr. Crocker Harris, but in spite of those things, those negative ideas, he likes his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, very much. Note this point, children. He has so many negative ideas about his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, but in spite of the presence of those negative ideas in his mind for his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, he likes him. I can't help it. He can't help liking his teacher, and sometimes I think he sees it. And he thinks sometimes this is noted by his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris. He notes it, and that seems to shrivel him up even more. And it seems to Tableau that his teacher shrinks even more. Frank, I'm sure you are exaggerating. Note the word exaggerate. To exaggerate means to make something seem larger, better than in reality. to make something seem larger, better than in reality. Frank says that he is sure that Tableau is exaggerating, saying something which was not true or necessary, making something seem larger, better than in reality. Frank thinks that Tableau is exaggerating. Tableau, no sir, I am not. Tableau denies. He says no. He says clearly that he is not exaggerating. In form, the other day he made one of his classical jokes. What happened one day in the class? He recalls. One day, Mr. Crocker Harris said one of his serious and traditional jokes. In the class. He said a joke. He said a joke. He told the students a joke, one of his classical jokes. Classical, serious and traditional, you can say. Of course, nobody laughed because nobody understood it. The entire class remained silent that day in the class because nobody had understood the joke made by their teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris. Nobody had understood his joke, myself included. Even Tableau had not understood the meaning of the joke made by Mr. Crocker Harris. Still, I knew he had meant it as a funny. But Tableau was aware of the fact that what he had said was supposed to be funny. So I laughed. So he laughed because he thought what he said was funny. What he had said was funny. Out of ordinary common politeness. Just because of ordinary common politeness, he laughed and feeling a bit sorry for him for having made a poor joke. And he thought that his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, had made a poor joke, which nobody understood and nobody laughed. His teacher had made a poor joke, which nobody understood, and therefore nobody laughed. Now I can't remember what the joke was. Here Tableau does not remember the joke, but suppose I make it. He is talking to the teacher, Frank. But suppose I make it. He says to Frank that suppose he makes that joke. Now you laugh, sir. He wants Frank to laugh. Suppose he makes that joke. Now he wants Frank to laugh. Tableau, in a gentle, throaty voice. Throaty, I explained in one of the classes, deep and rough voice. Throaty voice, deep and rough voice. He once again imitates the words of his teachers. Words of his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris. Tableau, you laughed at my little joke. His teacher had seen him laughing at his little joke. Thank you, children.